Hi guys, it's Aoife from Words of Clover and I'm here with a really special video and one I'm really excited about, and that is a book subscription unboxing. So the Book Resort recently got in contact with me and asked me if I would like to receive one of their monthly subscription boxes, and I would be able to obviously receive it for free and then review it on my channel. And I obviously jumped at it and I said yes, of course I would, because one of the reasons why this is so exciting for me is that this is an Irish book subscription box, which if any Irish readers know, sometimes it's really hard seeing everyone get like their L crates and their fairy leaf boxes and things like that. And while we can also get those in terms of shipping and stuff, it tends to be quite expensive. So knowing there is an Irish book subscription box that not only is an Irish book subscription box, but all the products and things inside of this box are all from small Irish businesses, so it's also supporting Irish businesses at the same time. So I'm so excited to be able to receive this and also review it for you guys and show you what type of things are in the box, and I will probably be getting a lot more of these in the future as well. So the general price for this book subscription box is €33 per month with free shipping within Ireland. That is the general price I've seen for a lot of other subscription boxes, but as I said, because this is an Irish one, I'm not paying like a whole lot more in terms of shipping and international shipping, which I have had to do before for things like the L Crate box. A lot of other type of kind of subscription boxes for the Book Resort, you can have the monthly subscription box, but you can also do a one-time subscription box if you just want to try it out, or maybe get one every 2 or 3 months to treat yourself. Or there's also kind of ones that you can get for a gift for someone. Also things like the bath box, a luxury box, a thinking of you box, a birthday box, and there are loads of different price ranges. I think it goes up from €33 for the normal monthly one, then €36 for a classic gift box, and then it goes all the way up to €95 for the premier gift box, which I say is a really great box. So I will leave the kind of the FAQ section of the Book Resort website in below in my description, just for anyone who is trying to figure out like if it's something that they would like to do, even if it's for a one-time thing. But I definitely think it's a really great one for Irish readers, because I was just so excited to know that there was an Irish book subscription box. I'm going to open this now and show you guys what is inside. I will say it smells really good, so there's definitely something kind of perfumey or soapy inside of this, and it smells amazing. I just have a little card as well from the person who runs the Book Resort, just thanking me for obviously reviewing the box on the channel, which is just lovely, and that is just a gorgeous card. That's something like you could frame, but I'll probably try and put it on my bookshelf somewhere. This is how it is packaged inside. As you can see, everything is like really nice and packaged really well, nothing seems to be broken, everything seems to be perfectly in place. The first thing is this Happy News newspaper. I've seen a few of my friends have actually gotten subscriptions to this, and it's something that seems to be really nice. It's like a newspaper, but as you can see, it's the Happy News, and it only reports on like really nice things that are happening in the world, which I actually think is probably something that's like really useful at the moment, in terms of the news now is so negative and there's just so many different things going on in the world that is so negative and so horrible. Having things like this, which is the Happy News, could obviously make a massive difference to your day. For example, here on the front page we have a article, remarkable blue whales numbers reported, and tells you like the number of the newspaper. So that's definitely something maybe with a cup of tea I might look at later. For the rest of the box as well, as you can see here, we definitely have some chocolates. We have a body scrub soap, which is the smell, which is the source of that lovely smell. So as you can see here, body scrub, a poppy seed body scrub. It smells so good. So this is rosemary and lemongrass, and then it has some poppy seeds in it to help with exfoliation. So yeah, I'll definitely be using that. Yeah. We have 2 chocolate treats in this as well, which is amazing. So we have some Pure Delight chocolatey chocolates. This is some from a company called Victoria's Incredible Edibles, so that looks really nice. And then we also just have a bar of Belgian chocolate here as well, which looks scrummy. I mean, you can't go wrong with just normal plain chocolate because it's always going to be delicious. Also have a gorgeous thing of body lotion here, which is actually great because I'm always running out of body lotion, so it's really great to have this one on hand for when my next bottle runs out. So this is the Copper Coast Natural Skincare, and it's peppermint and tea tree. So it has this gorgeous kind of Celtic symbol on it as well. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that's nice. It smells super minty now. Yeah, that's lovely. That's lovely. That'd be really nice to put on like in the morning when you're trying to, probably not one for nighttime, but definitely one for the morning when you're kind of wanting to wake up and like refresh yourself. It's really nice and refreshing. So yeah, that's definitely one I'll be putting on after my morning showers. The main thing in the box is obviously the book. And the book in this box is In Her Eyes by Sarah Alderson. And I have never heard of this book. It seems to be about someone called Ava who lives just like a normal life, seems to have like the perfect life, and then there is a home invasion that leaves her daughter fighting to survive. And it seems that Ava seems to think that this home invasion wasn't random. It seemed like someone actually targeted her family, and that's like obviously really, really scary. Honestly, is terrifying to even think about. And it's just basically about her trying to figure that out, figuring out who she can trust. Is someone in her life lying? Do they have something to do with this home invasion? And obviously she has her own secrets that she's kind of trying not to come out, and it says here, can she even trust herself? So that sounds really interesting. So that was everything in the Book Resort subscription box. I think this is really great. At the moment, I'm really impressed with everything that's in it. The thing about this one, I think, as well, is these are all things that I will use. I found with the other subscription boxes, while the things you get in it are really nice, they're all like kind of knick-knacky things, and some of the things like you just like put in your shelf or they're decorative and you don't end up using them, where this one is all stuff that I will physically use or physically consume. And yeah, it means there's no unnecessary waste or anything like that as well, which I think is really good and really important. So yeah, I'm really glad that these kind of things are things I will use, and things I will eat, and then things that I can read, recycle, pass on to other people. And yeah, it's really great like that. So as I said, I will leave everything you need to know down below in the description box. I really love this box. It's definitely one I'll be trying to get again. And yeah, leave me any of your thoughts or comments down below. I'd love to know if you've gotten this subscription box, if you would like to, if you're thinking about trying it out. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.